In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bar chart colors in Tableau using the color shelf. Whether you're a Tableau novice or someone just looking to enhance your data visualizations, adjusting bar chart colors can add that extra flair and clarity to your presentations. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you don't have it already installed, it's available for free and only takes a minute to set up. Once inside, you'll need to access your worksheet. This is where all your data resides, ready to be transformed into insightful visualizations. Now that you're ready, let's set up your bar chart. Begin by dragging Subcategory to the Rows shelf in the Tableau interface. This will arrange your data by subcategory, effectively preparing the structure for your bar chart. Next, you'll drag Sales to the Columns shelf. This action creates the bars themselves, with their heights corresponding to the sales data you've supplied. With your basic bar chart in place, it's time to add some color. First, you need to locate the dimension or measure in your data pane that you want to use to encode color. This could be any field in your dataset, depending on what aspects of the data you want to emphasize. Once you've found your chosen field, drag it onto the color shelf within the marks card area. This is where the magic happens. Tableau will instantly apply an automatic color scheme based on the field you've selected, enriching your chart visually and making it easier to interpret. Ready to refine those colors even more to fit your specific needs or preferences? Click on the color legend that Tableau provides and select Edit Colors from the drop-down menu. Here, you have a myriad of options. Choose a color palette that complements your data and speaks to your audience. You can also manually assign colors to specific categories or values to ensure the visual is aligned perfectly with your intentions. For those of you working with measures, there's an additional tip. Consider using a diverging color palette. This technique is particularly useful if you want to highlight differences between high and low values, providing a clear visual distinction that guides viewers' attention where you want it most. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only changed the colors on your bar chart, but also enhanced your data's storytelling power. With these visual tools at your disposal, you're set to create impactful data presentations that captivate and inform. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed for more Tableau tips and tricks.